Okay, guys, we're going to go over the extra practice right now, but let me give you the answers first before we get started. If you got them all right, great, perfect, you know what you're doing. What I would suggest then is, if you can, for each one that you got right, which would be all of them if you got them right, draw area models, okay? I know we've been doing most of the equations. That's easy. Area models are a little harder. There's more work involved. So if you've got the time and you really want to make sure you understand it, draw area models, okay? If you got some wrong, don't feel bad, because that means you have something to learn and have somebody teach you. So we both have something to do, which is good. I don't want to get bored. So don't feel bad. You make a mistake, it means you have a chance to learn something, okay? Anyways, let's get started. Number 17. Dun, dun, dun. We have 12 times 1/3. Oh, I forgot to read the directions. Multiply, write in simplest form. Now, I realize in your book it has the answer there already. That's not the point. The point is, can you do the work? You change the whole number into a fraction, put in 1 under it. I already explained why. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. The answer is 4. It can be that straightforward, guys. There are no trick questions. 8 times 1/4. Again, we have 8 full sets. We're trying to break it up into groups. Yes? So it sounds like dividing, but not necessarily. We're not losing anything. It's all still there. 8 over 1 times 1 over 4. 2. It can be that fast. Okay? 3/7, we have something that's less than a fraction, times 8. Again, in my head, I'm thinking, okay, I have a set of something incomplete, and I want to complete it, so I buy more of this to see if I can. It's like, again, I keep thinking in my head, baseball cards. When I buy trading cards of some kind, of a favorite movie or a favorite sports team or something, or favorite Pokemon cards. If you know what Pokemon cards, there's 7 to make a complete set of Pikachu, for example. Well, there's 7 types of Pikachu. So I buy 8 more boxes or 8 more sets that are pre-packed to see if I can complete the other 4 that I need. Something like that. Okay? You're trying to make full sets to finish what to finish the incomplete set that you have. But here we go. So the idea is the same. 24 over 7. Now, these are not word problems, so it's okay if you just leave it as a number. But when you get to the word problems, you have to write a word to finish it. What are we talking about? What does that number refer to? All right, 23. 23. For a singing contest in which 42,000 votes were cast, the winner received 3/5 of the votes. How many votes did the winner not receive? Okay, 42,000 votes for singing contest, or even just contest. So I can imagine 42,000 pieces of paper. I know we're living in a digital age. 42,000 texts, if you want, for a contest, a singing contest. The person that won, for the winner, they got 3/5 of the vote. Again, look at the denominator. It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For every 5 votes, the winner got 3 of them. This would be the winner. The winner got 3 out of every 5 votes. Okay. Now I know somebody went ahead and did this. And you did the math, and you're like, and you saw the answer, like, but wait, I got it wrong. What happened? You know what happened? You didn't read the problem carefully. I want to show you something. Yeah, the answer's there too, so what? The winner got 3/5 of the vote. That you understand, I just showed you. How many votes did the winner not receive? So, if the winner got 3 votes out of every 5, the person that didn't win, the not winner, let's call him, I know it doesn't make too much sense, but kind of does. That means the not winner got 2 votes out of every 5. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, just even so you can see the difference. The not winner got 2 votes out of every 5. So obviously, you have a different fraction. That changes the problem completely. For every 5 votes, the person that didn't win got 2 votes. And those are votes that this guy didn't get, which is what the question asked. Let me read it again. How many votes did the winner not receive? The winner got these 3 votes out of the 5. That means he didn't get these 2 out of the 5. Someone else got it. Okay? And now you do the math. 84,000. How did I do this so fast? I just look at the non-zero numbers. 42 times 2 is 84, and I just add the zeros after. All right. So I'm trying to make groups of 5 out of 84,000. I'm going to have to go ahead and do the math. There's no way around it. I can make one group of 5 out of 8. I can make 6 groups of 5 out of 34. I can make 8 groups of 5 out of 40. All right. So far I have 168, but I have 2 more zeros to worry about. Don't worry about it, because to make groups of 0 out of 5, you just got to multiply by 0. So 16,800 votes. So what this person did not get. That's the correct answer. Okay. Now 25. That's going to take... There is no one answer for that. You had to be creative. You had to think of a real-world situation where you have a fraction times a whole number, or a whole number times a fraction. I kind of did that already with you guys in the very beginning. But I'll do it again right now. You can think of your own for 25. 12 pizzas. Johnny buys 12 pizzas. Okay? But he tells his sister, Lydia, that for every 3 slices, she can have 1. Okay? So if you can imagine Johnny cutting up the pizza into 3 slices. 3 slices each pizza, that's 36 slices. Lydia gets 1. Yeah? And then Lydia getting all those slices, 1 slice from each of the 12 pizzas. She puts all those slices back together. How many pizzas does she actually have? Now if you do the work, it turns out, hey, Lydia actually gets 4 pizzas out of the 12. So you got to think of something like that. Get a whole number and a fraction, or get a fraction and a whole number, doesn't matter the order, and think of a story. Okay? Some idea. And that is extra practice.